In this video, I'm going to show you how to talk to or reach out to Coinbase's customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so for this, we need to open up a web browser and head on over to pishconsumer.com. So go ahead and click into the website. Now you want to click on the search icon, which will be near the top of the page here, and then type in Coinbase, and then Coinbase should appear here. So go ahead and click on the Coinbase. It's got 1,400 reviews. And now from here, scroll down and you'll see reviews, Q&A and contacts tab. Go ahead and click on contacts. An advertisement might appear. Just click out of the ad and now scroll down again. And you can see there's a toll-free number. You can call their customer service or customer support team here. Or if you got more numbers here as well. So you got USA and Canada and Ireland numbers. And you can even call customer service directly by clicking this blue button here. And if you don't like speaking on the phone, you can always send them a message directly from clicking on the send message button here.